Hey, Shay Thomas here again with some more reviews on the Partner with Anthony program. Just to give you an idea of what's coming down the line if you've subscribed and purchased into the Partner with Anthony program. As I've been doing all these sessions and reviews as we go along, you can just see how much quantity and quality of the videos and presentations and teaching that Anthony does. Right now, we're up to session 21. What I'd like you to do is subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments, and of course, hit the notification button so you know when they're all coming out. And if you haven't seen these videos before and you're just catching this one because you're kind of new to the Partner with Anthony program, check out my channel because I have went from session 1 up to session 21 now, showing you what's in your future. So let's get into this a little bit. So in session 21, Anthony goes on about talking about you're not average. You can do a lot of stuff in your life. You're different, but there's things that you need to maybe do to become a little better at what you are to get better results. And that's the thing is everyone's a little bit different, and some people are going to excel at different things and move on. What he's getting into also in this session here is know your numbers. This is, I mean, very, very important. You need to know how your business is performing. You need to know those numbers, how much it's costing you in advertising, for instance, compared to your return on investment. I mean, if you're spending $20 to sell a $3 product, obviously there's some problems, and you've got to look at things to change to move on to get those numbers better, to increase your profits, and take a look at your business. So that's all this know your numbers. In here, he's got download your performer, which is basically a couple of different downloads that you can get. These are going to help you put your numbers together, figure out how you're doing, how your business is doing, whether or not you're making a good return on investment or you're losing money, and what that'll give you some insights as to maybe the things you've got to change and move on with. So that's basically session 21. When we get into session 22, it kind of goes along more along the lines of getting that business going, and again, now he's talking about Udemy, depending on how you want to pronounce it, and that's basically where you're getting your solo ads from. This is something that a lot of people use. It's recommended. It's an easy way to start. Facebook ads is a pretty darn difficult thing to master and get stuff on there without getting, your ad account suspended or canceled or this or that. Facebook changes so much. With the Udemy, how that works is there's sellers on Udemy, and it's very easy to uh, purchase, and you can be an affiliate for them as well. So a little information here on the second one is, you can build your account or start your account, create it. That allows you to purchase solo ads. And once you've been able to do that, again, recommendation, don't buy more than 100 clicks at a time. See if that particular person who's selling you the solo ads is doing well for you. I've had some where I get 40% um, opt-ins on 100 clicks, and I just unfortunately finished one where I got 12 opt-ins for 125 clicks. So that's probably a solo ad seller that I'm not going to use again. But it's all my own personal testing method. I'm just trying different people to see how things go, and which sellers are going to work best for me. Using build directs, earlier mentioned about build redirects. That's basically a tracking system for you to figure out where your clicks are coming from, which ad sets are working best for you. And that way, again, it's building your numbers, learning your numbers so you know where you're at, how much money you're making, or how much money you're losing. Now, those are very, very important things. And in session 4, he goes over setting up your profit link center, which is under the Partner with Anthony program. Is there's a lot of affiliate links, profit links. Example is ClickFunnels, redirects, Get Response, whoever, different affiliates. You want to insert them into your profit link center, which is up in your resources area, I believe, and or no, your up in your dashboards under your account. You'll see your profit link center. That's where you're going to add those. That way, with you're in Partner with Anthony program, you have your link there. Someone that has purchased through your affiliate link for the Partner with Anthony now decides to purchase with ClickFunnels. Instead of Anthony getting the money for the ClickFunnels, it is you that is going to get the commission. So that's very, very important. Is you want to make sure that those profit link centers are set up. So that's kind of basis of session 22. Once we get into the higher sessions here, we're kind of getting to the tail end. We're getting close to the finishing this. Again, if you're at the state where you have a huge list and you've got a lot of numbers, you can become a seller. And this is, again, this is business. You want to try and create as much passive income as you can. If you have a big enough list, and you can become a seller, and this is one way to do it. And different methods of here is how to increase your return of income with this different techniques that are used throughout. And Anthony does a little bit of a spotlight in some of the students that have done well, and what they're doing, and gives you some ideas of what might benefit you in the future. Once we get in session 24, we're getting there. We're getting close to the end. So we got our business recap. What are we doing? Where we're at? Where do we want to be? Um, Again, it's this is just that information is where's our business taking us. Again, student spotlights. Join the Facebook group if you haven't. You should have already. Again, just tons of little stuff that you just don't seem to get in any other programs. So to me, it's like I said, I haven't found anything that I can really say that's negative about the program. Some people have complained in the past that you have to complete a session and then you don't get to do the next session for 24 hours. Well, I believe personally, and that this is a really good idea, because a lot of times people will just race through stuff without completing the work, and so you don't get all the benefit of the instruction. This way, you finish the session, you do we'll use the term homework, get your work done, get your things set up before you can move on. And that's the key to learning. Because if you try to go through these 30 sessions just one after the other, you're going to miss stuff. You're going to make mistakes along the way, and that's just going to cause lots of problems for you in the future. Under session 25, that's as far as I'm going to go today. You get us into the email marketing, how to increase your open rate, your click rate when you're sending out your emails. There's some homework here for students for profits, and again, some more student spotlights on students that are doing really well with the program, and gives you great ideas to carry on. So you can see I'm just about through the whole rigmarole of all the sessions and training that you get. But believe me, it's well worth it. The difference between this type of course that you're paying a very small amount for, the amount of training in here is incredible. There's people that have complained about, well, I got to buy ClickFunnels, and I got to buy an autoresponder, and you know, with any business, you've got tools. It doesn't matter what business you're in. There's nothing free out there. There's ways that you can do things for a lesser cost, definitely. And this is one of them that I found. That's why I'm reviewing these, is for the simple reason is for this small amount of money, or doing a one-time payment of $97, you get, like, there's 30 sessions, and you can see in each session there's five or more modules to go through with all that training. So you've got the training. It's up to you as to what you're going to do it. I mean, it really falls on you. But I haven't seen any other training out there that compares to this for getting the results that are possible. Whether you use it to be an affiliate for Partner with Anthony, or the Ambassador program, or any of the other courses that he has. It's up to you. You can take this training, you can take this knowledge, and you can apply it to virtually everything. Anyway, again, so we're up to 25. Next session, or next video, I'll do 26 to 30, and that'll complete the session. So at least you'll know, if you're getting started, what's coming in the future and what to look forward to. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, and do please leave me a comment. I love to read the comments and see what people have to say. Um, and until then, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.